Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bytes Product Reviews with Ron Nutter. What we've got before us, it looks like electrical tape, but it isn't. It's silicone tape, and this is where, and I've been using this on a street lamp repair, and that's why I had to go get another roll, is I just didn't have enough to get it done. When you're working with electrical wiring that is exposed to the elements, in this case I've got an electric line underground, that when I had to go cut the line and make some changes to it, I wanted to make sure it was done right. And electrical tape is not known for holding when it starts getting wet. Where with this one, this is made in some cases for use in boating environments where you have a less than dry situation to deal with. So this is going to be very handy to have, and it's going to let me properly seal up the connection when I get through doing the work on it, so I don't have any surprises, because I don't want anybody getting shocked if they happen to touch the light pole. So it's just things like that. It takes it to the next step. It's almost like you're burying this in a bottle of goop and to where it's going to get sealed, and you'll hopefully get everything taken care of and only have to do the job once. So take a look at this one, and I think you'll be very happy with it.